comme si je n'existais pas. Elle est passée à côté de moi, sans un regard, rien du savoir. J'ai dit Aïcha, mon tour t'est pour toi.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my raps. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, and checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age. Radioactive, radioactive. Radioactive, radioactive. I'll raise my flags, darn my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red to fit right in. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, and checking out. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? When they're really saying is, I love you.